Anle was this lively, bubbly little daughter, and she sat on the right time, she talked at the right time, she walked when she was 9 months old. Then we saw that she had a little bit of a balance problem. So we started with occupational therapy. Everybody says that the cross, she did a lot of that, but it didn't help her condition. And she also had severe infections, lung infections, ear infections, and that went on for years. Anle was first diagnosed with a PID in about 2004, but we didn't start with treatment. He just told us that it might be that she has a primary immunodeficiency. And at the age of 7, she did monkey gymnastics, and the teacher called me and said to me, "We can't continue because her balance is deteriorating severely." So we went back to a neurologist and we asked her to do further tests. So we found out that apart from the PID that was diagnosed in 2006, she had ataxia telangiectasia. Yeah, it was terrible because we've got healthy children, and then Anle comes, and it's something that you don't know about. But we know that we had to be positive for her and for the other kids. We've got other kids also, and I think that's where she got her positivity from. Anle's treatment started in 2006 when she started getting immunoglobulin replacement, and this is her treatment for life. She's getting it every 4 weeks. When she gets her treatment, the levels of her immunoglobulin spiked, and then it has a 21-day time frame when it goes back to 0, and she needs an infusion again. The biggest benefit of receiving immunoglobulin products is the fact that you are infection-free and you can participate in so many activities where you normally can't do that when you are sick. From a parent point of view, I just want to thank South African National Blood Services for collecting blood and plasma. This gives our PID kids a chance in life, and it keeps them healthy.